I'm going to show you the workings of Git repositories. We will start by doing ls-all like this. I'm currently in the test repository, and we have the file named hello, which has been committed. What is interesting is that this specific folder, I mean the test project folder, is the working directory of our current Git repository. This current repository is contained in the .git file. If I change the directory in the .git file, then it will be cd.git, like this. My command prompt warns me that I'm in the Git directory. It's a specific Git directory that handles internally. It contains several files and folders used and managed exclusively by Git. I highly recommend not to open the .git file unless you know exactly what you are doing. Now that we have finished examining this question of the .git file, let's come back to our working folder with the command cd and two dots, like this. As you can see, we come back to the test project. To show that our Git repository is entirely contained in the .git folder, I will delete the .git folder completely. You can use the command rm-rf and the file name .git, then press enter. Our command prompt deletes the master because we have no more Git repository. Now, if I type ls like this, I have only the file hello and not the .git one. If I run a git command, such as git status command, Git will respond that this is not a Git repository.